We are about 8 million people if you go by the statistics of the WHO, which says 15% of Kenyans have a disability. And therefore, we have a mandate, actually, a greater mandate as Christians, not just that, but also just as neighbors and comrades of people with disabilities across the country to push this agenda forward.
I think we are glad that we already have the Disability Act in place. Sadly, 1 year down the line, very little has been done in implementation. And I think the gap starts with Parliament, where regulations and policies are not yet in place.
There's a twisted theology on disability, and you know, some of the people in the church have some stigma about people with disability. And so that's why we are having this conference, the Disability, the Bible, and the Church Conference 2026, to address some of those challenges that people with disability face in their local community.